We're beautiful.
What's up YouTube, Flagstaff Geek here with another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And today we have the Delta NG Models A350-900 Ultimate Edition and the Team USA livery. So yeah, let's get into it. Super glad to finally have this model. I ordered it off of Diecast Airplane Store. It seems like they got their NG Models releases a bit later than other retailers, so this is why I'm barely getting it. But other than that, it looks nicely packed with some paper at the top of the box. And then we have the plane nicely wrapped in bubble wrap along with the receipt at the bottom of the box. Always nice to see them care for the planes in their shipping process. And since this is an Ultimate Edition box, I've never had an NG Models Ultimate Edition. It seems like it's wrapped in plastic, so let me get that open. So yeah, got the plastic wrap off the box. This is my first Ultimate NG Models aircraft. So as you can see, it's just your typical NG box. Airbus A350-900, computer generated image of the model, Team USA, and then we have like 2 American flags. I believe this is the Paralympics logo, and this is the Olympics logo. Delta logo, registration November 521, Delta November, 1:400 scale. And then we just have your typical NG box, but this looks like it's similar to a Gemini box. You open it from the bottom. And I did get a reward card, and it says, do not, I've never seen this warning before either. Do not hold the fuselage with the whole palm in case of being hurt by the 3-dimensional antennas. Interesting. But yeah, this is the pretty sick box. And then we have the model. First glance, it looks great. Let's get this set up. Right there. So I'll let you guys look at the left side of the aircraft while I put the box away. And as always, I'll put the flight trader effects right here for you guys. I did notice this with the box. It actually has, let's get this right here, has Delta on the inside and Team USA on the inside of the box. So overall, you're just paying a few more bucks for a more special box. But I actually really like the Team USA design since I'm a fan of Team USA and their Olympics teams, especially their basketball. But other than that, let's get into the model. So just an Airbus A350-900. It's really cool livery. We have the nose cone detailed right there at the front, landing gear, Sky Team logo, L1 door, Delta titles, and then we have the Team USA, or we have the American flag, Olympics logo and Paralympics logo, and it says official airline of Team USA. And then we have the Team USA titles across the fuselage, really cool. And then we got the red and blue. Perfect design. We have the landing lights right there, red navigation light right here, and then we have the winglet right here with like a delta design on it. And then we have the American flag on the back with the registration, which is once again November 521 Delta November. And then we have the iconic Delta tail. And then here is a back view of the aircraft. APU detailed right here. Wings and everything look even, which is great. Landing gear does roll pretty well. And then the right side of the aircraft is always the same, except we should have color navigation lights, but I do not see. Let's see. Might be a little one flaw about the aircraft from NG. We have the red, slightly noticeable red navigation light on this wing. It won't focus, but the other side should have the green navigation light, but you can't see it. But I'll just tell you guys, it just seems like there's just light detail right there. It doesn't have the green shade, which is quite interesting. But only difference right here is that we have the cargo luggage doors. One which is right there under the official airline titles, and also one in the back right below the American flag. Here is the front view of the aircraft. Cockpit windows look great. Bird's eye view of the aircraft and the stand hole, and with the Delta titles on the bottom. So overall, it's a really great model. I'm super glad to finally pick up this Team USA A350. But yeah, if you enjoyed this little short review, please leave a comment and like the video. And as always, stay tuned for more. Bye.